Hey there, today it's another journey of the free play, how to write songs without any musical knowledge. And we talk about the B major scale. The healing power of this scale, it's like a journey to wholeness and inner peace. This is the best thing, the title about that scale. So my name is Enya, your ukulista who brews you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorials, especially for the baritone, but those tutorials I'm doing so far about the art of the free play. We can use with any instrument, with guitar, with banjo, with handpan, whatever, because we talk about the purpose, the atmosphere, the ambitions about the scale and how you can use them to transfer it to your inner self and express the inside to outside to compose music. So, what's about the B major scale? The B major scale as a sequence of note, it is not only a sequence of note, it is a gateway to inner tranquility, perfection, and spiritual healing, I would say. And in classical music, B major is often associated with radiant and sublime mood. It's warm and luminous tones invite a relaxation and I would say immersion in a state of harmony and well-being. Yes. And however, its significant extent far beyond the mere succession of notes. So before I talk more in the kind of spiritual and music therapeutic aspects, let's talk about how we can play B major. Anyway, I talk about chord box shapes and how to create scales and which notes are in the scale. Check out how to bari uke, all my tutorials. So I give just a tiny example. We have a B string, so we can play it on just one string. So it's B, Z sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and B. Or we can play it here on the third string. So it's A. Why did I say A? Because last time I talked about the A minor scale, but today we are with B major. So let's go ahead. We are on the third string. So it's B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and B. Okie dokie. So let's go ahead. What is to say about the B, the tone of B, for example? It's for the head chakra, the crown chakra, and it's the center of the top of our body. And it represents our spiritual connection, the enlightenment and the unity to the universe. So this scale or the key of B is pretty important for our spiritual awakening and to explore our inner peace and everything. So B is like we can open ourselves to the cosmic energy and experience a sense of wholeness and inner peace. So B stands for perfection, like the completion of a circle without beginning or end. The B major scale reminds us that we are already perfect. So we are perfect as we are, and that we do not need to change or to improve. So we deserve to laugh and be accepted and enjoy what we are and how we are doing and how we were playing. And yes, so B is pretty enlightening. So I love to fiddle around with that scale. So it invites us to view ourselves and the world around us through the eye of love, and to embrace every facet of our being, I would say. In times of fear, for example, for fear for illness and death, the B major scale can be a source of healing and comfort, because its gentle harmonies can soothe our fears. I also often use it in music therapy for people who couldn't win the fight against her sickness, and I travel with music for them, that they could travel to the rainbow or to a higher space, whatever you believe, and they left this world with a smile in their face. So yes, this can elevate our pain and remind us that life is an internal flow in which we are always connected to the universal love, and the universal love is in ourselves. So please take a moment and immerse yourself in the sound of B major. Also in B minor, what I'm talking about next week too, because it's the key of our crown chakra. So let us flow through this and feel our healing energy, and feel your heart opening, and a sense of peace and perfection spreading within you. So I stop talking and let you play this lovely scale and lovely key, and see you for the next tutorial. So if you want to have it written down, or having a sheet about how and where are the keys of the scale, be my Patreon and download the PDF. So see you soon. Love you, Donya.